Good afternoon, folks. My name is Michael Mara. I'm coming to you from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Here to show you our Sea Ray 270 SDX IO. So we're going to start on the bow. This has the white interior, so as you can see, the expansive space up front. Wraparound seating. This does a mount for a table that'll sit right about here, so you can have lunch, cocktails, a cocktail party. Just an entertainment space up front here, which is really nice, and also is probably the best place to ride when you're underway. It's just a lot of fun. You get the wind in your hair and you get the nice smooth ride. So let's come back a little bit. You have the cockpit here, the helm here, digital throttle right there, push button start, all your trim, everything's right here as well. So all your switchings in here. You have the Fusion Apollo system, which is a touchscreen system, as well as a Simrad GPS / sonar system as well. And then you can also get the readouts of your engine through this unit. And then your trim tabs, USB 12 volt, and then your key would go right in there. Okay, so over here we have, look at the size of the head for a 27-foot boat. And you can see the detail in the head as well. So you kind of get like a nice countertop in there with a sink, tons of storage, and then you have a little compartment under the sink maybe to put a trash can. And then there is a light in there if it is getting dark. All of our Sea Rays come with the cockpit and tonneau cover right there. All right, so I did want to leave that out so you can see that. I'm going to move this to this side for now. So this seat, you can go forward or aft, so as you're entertaining, both seats go back, so you have full wraparound seating here, and then as well as another table mount as here as well, so you can still entertain back here as well as out front at the same time. Okay, underneath every seat you have storage. Right here you have a cooler, you have storage on this side, there's storage everywhere. Okay, it's a great boat. This is our #1 day boat here at MarineMax Somers Point. Our clients absolutely love them. You have a step off here as well if you're on a fixed dock, so you can step and then right off the boat. Then looking down, you have another cooler. So what's nice is if you go to a sandbar or a beach and you want to come all the way on the boat, you can keep your soft drinks right there, or your lunch. You can operate the stereo system right here, and then when you're ready to rinse off, this comes out to a freshwater shower. And then you can see the way we have the seats set up back here, so you can have like a recliner, like a lounger to keep your legs bent, or you can straighten it out. Then underneath there is some more storage. My favorite part about this boat is the swim platform. This actually will fold down into the water all the way down, so you can sit in the water on your own boat. It really doesn't get better than that. We hope you enjoyed your time here on our 270 SDX. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at MarineMax Somers Point, 609-926-0600. Again, my name is Michael Mara. Enjoy your day, and we'll see you on the water.